Hey friends, quick video here about just logging in to NoodleTools. It's changed recently, so this may not feel familiar from last year. So when you want to sign into NoodleTools now and you get to the main page, there's a link on our Haiku page, there are links through the library. You now can access via G Suite. So in here where it says enter your Google or Office 365 email, you will type your graded email. Okay, which is your GR number, GR, 6 numbers, and then an at graded.br. Click sign in with Google. Yeah, again, I have a personal email. You may have a personal email as well, or multiple things. Choose your graded email. And then you will be logged in. If this is your first time logging in, it may ask you some questions. This is not my first rodeo, as you can see from this page. So I have all my things there, but that is the new way to log into NoodleTools. Okay, thanks guys.